Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me right now I have Neha Dupia. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to have you, and I could see that you are actually lifting up the spirit today by making people walk and also making them enjoy the coffees. Tell us, how do you get your energy from?
Oh, well, for me, I think what inspires me the most, of course, or my energy is that, I think that when you are a part of an idea that contributes to change, and then when you see the change happen, you feel so energized because we're talking about Go Flow Run today. We're in year 2. Last year we had a turnout of about 2,000 people, 2,000 women. So जब 2,000 लड़कियों ने register किया था, 50% of that money actually went to C3, where we empowered girls in smaller towns, or actually the villages, and we built toilets in schools so that they don't have to drop out. So it's very cyclic what we do, but we're trying to be a part of the change. We're in year 2. We're hoping that we get more and more registrations. और सबसे ज़रूरी है कि जितनी ज़्यादा हमें registrations मिलती हैं, उतना ज़्यादा जाने अनजाने में, even the women who are running this run are actually helping other girls or preventing them from drop out of school, because the main theme is menstrual hygiene. Asking about where I get my energy from, this is where I just get inspired by people coming together and being a part of change.
When we speak about menstrual hygiene, women go through a lot during that phase, and a lot of mood swings also take place. And so many times that, at many organizations now, of late, they have started off giving leaves. But at some places still, we don't have that comfort. What do you have to say about that, because women, of course, go through a phase, but sometimes people also feel that, that's an excuse used by a lot of people.
No, I don't. I don't think that we need to go that far as to digging deep. I really think that it's different for every woman. You need to make sure that you kind of are extremely sensitized towards the feedback you get. You're extremely sensitized, whether it's in your workplace, whether it's at home or in your private space. It's different, right? More importantly, not make the conversation odd. What happens is to normalize conversations around menstrual health, menstrual hygiene, is when it starts becoming easier, and not like brush it under the carpet. And of late, like since the time, like last year, we were talking so much about how sanitary napkins are still sold in like black, those poly bags, or people don't talk about it, or it's always like, oh, my back is hurting. It's okay, be vocal about it. And the part that you're saying about misusing it, I don't agree with it, but I don't think it needs to come up either.
How do you manage your moods during periods, and how do you take care of it?
Actually, I don't, I feel, and if you don't mind me saying this, the fact that I would answer the question would encourage more people to then come up and say that, oh हाँ, इसका period है तो इसको इस तरह का mood हो रहा है. So if we avoid, maybe bringing this emotion out that you said, how do you sing your, work on your mood? I don't think we should enable these kind of questions. In fact, it should almost be like you should be sensitized towards the fact that, if someone has a period and if she's in some sort of pain, just be sensitized towards it. And speaking of mood swings, I feel like people across all genders have mood swings, so we don't need to, discourage, just be sensitive towards it under all circumstances.
I have to also ask you this, Neha, that you have taken a 21-day challenge for immunity, and
wondering why that
yes,
hasn't come up.
yes, exactly.
You're the first person I'm talking to. I did not want to talk about my 21-day anti-inflammatory.
Exactly did you do, because that's a very good thing, because everyone is going through their own health concerns, and people, of course, it's an encouragement to do something like that and taking care of your own health, especially your life, being an actress, being an activist, like that, in terms of
a mother
of two,
yes,
yeah. A mother of two. You do a lot of roles for that matter. So tell us something about that.
I think for me, the most important thing, of course, is the fact that I kind of try and keep my diet, and I feel like the only vice I have is coffee, and I need to stay away from it because I have a cup of coffee in my hand. So I don't want to say that I don't have any vice, but that's my biggest diet vice. But I'm very fascinated by superfoods. So मेरे हिसाब से the anti-inflammatory challenge also started with Richa Gangani, who's also a PCOS specialist. We were on Freedom to Feed, this parenting community, where we were talking about PCOS and the kind of diet you should follow. The anti-inflammation is something that happens to people. People get inflamed for different reasons. Sometimes it's PCOS, sometimes it's postpartum, sometimes it's weight gain, sometimes it's lifestyle. And everyone across the board who's tried it is done benefits. In fact, Angad is on day 23. He did not stop at day 21 because he started feeling the difference so much. So I think combining superfoods and making sure they work on your body and understanding the health benefits and staying as close to natural products is something that I really propagate. Uske baad, kai baar some products are heaty, some are not. So, you know, people have kind of different reactions. But whatever suits you. This really worked for me, so I shared it. And I promise you there's one more coming up.
So, man, lastly, before I let you go, Neha, upcoming projects, anything you're focusing on, if you could reveal something about that.
I have a couple of things that are coming up, but from the time that I started working in the business to now, you have to be very tight-lipped about whatever is. But I will be seeing you very soon, I think in about 2 or 3 weeks, talking about some work you'll see. So I'm excited. Yeah, it's coming up next month.
Thank you so much for such a lovely interaction and all the very best.